In this video, we're going to look at how to use the AI to generate an abstract for your paper. Obviously, the abstract is written once you have drafted your manuscript with the IMRED framework. So, what are the purpose and components of the abstract? And we will look at how we can use generative AI to get the response. The purpose of an abstract is a concise summary of the entire paper, including the purpose of the research, the methodology used, and key findings, and the main conclusion. It makes it possible for a reader to quickly understand the purpose and content and whether it's relevant to their interest. So it has this very structure, which is the background and introduction, purpose or objective, methods, results, conclusion, and implications. And they usually have some keywords, and this is very important. You could use the generative AI to generate your keywords based on all that you have fed it during the process of writing academic paper. So that's quite useful. So basically, you'll be using your generative AI to interact, and based on the various interactions that you've had all this while with the AI platform, you can then ask it to write an abstract and give the limitations that you want. So in the prompt, you must give what is the word count and the style that you want. Again, the styles can be imported. You are using Copilot or Types.io to from papers of relevance to your subject area, looking at the style, and also from the journal that you are going to submit your paper to. And it is worthwhile now to try and do this task of generating an abstract based on what you have had so far. So remember, you have gone through the IMRED framework, and all this is stored on the AI platform, and so you don't have to reintroduce this. So now you use the style. You may want to cut and paste a style that is of a good quality paper into the AI, generative AI, for it to use as a sample to then produce the output that you want. Again, look at the journal, see what the word limitations is, and make sure that you instruct in your prompt clearly the word limitation and the style. Here's an example of the prompt to get the generative AI to produce an abstract. So the more you give the data and the details, the better the abstract. Once the abstracts are created, then you have to then again, the usual section, validate it based on the manuscript that you have written so far with the use of generative AI, and making sure that it's factually accurate, it is coherent, it's logical, and it has got no errors and mistakes in the style. And it's worthwhile as you do this, you can try it a few times to make sure that the response that you get is consistent with the AI. Again, this would be depending on the prompts that you produce. So it's worthwhile to share with us the prompts that you have used and the responses and the